Okay, today's lesson is going to be how to use the camera function to find an image on the internet using our library resources and copying it over to the Smartboard notebook. To do that, I'm going to open up the Smart Notebook first icon, and then I'm going to choose the camera tool. Click on the camera, and you get a new window, this window right here. There are 4 icons on it. The first one allows you to clip and select any clip art or any image anywhere on the internet or anywhere else, and it copies it directly and pastes it onto the Smartboard. So let's show you how that works. Let's go and to the internet, so we're going to use the start button, click on the internet. Once the page comes up, your page is going to be Oyster River Middle School page. Click on the libraries link. From the library link, click on online databases. When you click on online databases, choose Enchanted Learning. They have great maps and other images that you'd want to use with your students. Instead of trying to find it, let's just search for USA Maps. I put my finger right here into the search box, click on the keyboard, which is down on my Smartboard, and type in USA space maps. Then I can click on Search Now. When I click on Search Now, the very first one says USA name tags to print. Let's check it out. Let's see, that is not what we want, but over here it says US Maps. So let's click on US Maps. Once we click on US Maps, that looks a lot better. Now we can go ahead and click on, here's one that says USA Map Label Me. So let's click here on this link. This looks like a map that we could use and have kids label the states. So in order to get it over to our Smartboard, we need to use this camera function. Remember this window here, I'm going to choose the very first one. And now I'm going to click and drag over the map with my finger, and once I let go, everything that I've selected is now captured and brought to the notebook, or the Smartboard book. So I'll go down on my taskbar down at the bottom and click on the Untitled Smartboard taskbar. Here it is, the map has now come over into my Smartboard. I'm going to close down the keyboard, close down the camera, and now if I want to click and drag this, I just take it from the corner and drag with my finger to make this larger. And now I can have the students come up and use the pens on the Smartboard to label the states. A little lower. I'm going to maximize the screen so you can see it large enough. And if I made a mistake, I just use the eraser on the Smartboard. So here we go. Maine. And you can imagine you could just have all the students come up and label each of the states. They could even label the capitals. You could even choose one of the tools like the star and have them do that for to represent the capital, and then write the capital, Austin. Okay? That's the lesson.